Text.
How to connect and troubleshoot an LG Smart Blu-ray disc player on your TV.
The box containing an LG Blu-ray player model BPM36.
Connecting an LG Smart Blu-ray disc player to your TV is easy. We'll show you how.
The disc player, a sleek rectangular box with power buttons and a USB plug on the right-hand side and the disc opening on the left.
If you have an HDMI TV or a monitor equipped with HDMI ports, you can connect it to your LG Smart Blu-ray disc player using an HDMI high-speed cable Type A.
A TV and monitor with HDMI plugs on the back. An HDMI cable.
This is the simplest and best way to hook up your LG player.
The back of the LG player showing an HDMI and power plug on the left-hand side.
Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the player's HDMI out port. Connect the other end to any available HDMI in on your TV or monitor.
A cable connects to both ports.
On some players, there is a separate HDMI audio out port.
The back of player with multiple HDMI ports on back.
In this case, be sure to use the port labeled out to TV. Refer to the owner's manual of your TV or monitor on how to set the input or source to HDMI.
The cover of the LG OLED TV Safety and Reference Guide.
For LG TVs, look for the input or plug icon button on the TV remote control and select the correct HDMI input where your player is connected.
A remote control with a button with a plug icon in the middle right. On a TV screen, input options appear as pop-ups in the bottom left.
For example, if you connected the player on the HDMI 1 port of your LG TV, then make sure to select HDMI 1 on the input list so that your TV will show the signal from the player.
An HDMI cable plugged into port HDMI 1 on the back of a TV. The user selects HDMI 1 from the pop-up options on the screen. The TV plays.
A resolution mismatch error can occur if the TV does not accept the player's resolution.
A TV screen is black with a white message, invalid format.
This could be due to accidentally changing the player output resolution, or the TV having a lower resolution. Usually for small TVs with 720p resolution, you can reset the player output resolution to 480p/576p. To do this, press the Open/Close button to open the disc tray.
A remote control with the Open/Close button circled in the top right. The tray of an LG player opens.
Then press the Stop button for more than 5 seconds.
The Stop button on the remote is circled in the middle right. A menu appears on the TV screen.
Once you have a picture, go to the player settings by pressing the Home button on the remote control. Select Settings, then Display, then Resolution. Make sure to select the resolution that matches your display.
360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p.
If your TV resolution is only at 720p, then select 720p from the options.
A TV screen with a crossed-out speaker symbol on it.
If the TV is not playing the audio from the player, the audio signal may be distorted or may not be outputting any sound at all.
A wavy line between the player and TV indicates sound transfer.
Try changing the player's audio output format to a different format. On the LG player remote control, press the Home button.
On a remote, the Home button is circled in the middle left.
Then select Settings, then Audio, then Digital Output, then select PCM for compatibility. If there are noises or lines on the screen, check the HDMI cable.
A TV screen with white fuzzy lines over the picture.
Proper cable length is generally limited to 14.75 feet, or 4.5 meters.
A coiled cable.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your Blu-ray disc player. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Ltd. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.